Welcome to your seller dashboard. My name is Jacob, and today I'm going to walk you through some of the powerful tools that we've developed here at Falaya to modernize the home selling experience, making it easier than ever to sell your house yourself. For years, realtors have used these exact same tools to streamline their processes and close deals faster. And at Falaya, we believe that sellers just like you should be afforded the same advantages without the high cost of traditional realtor commissions. So, whether you're a real estate investor, home builder, or just a seller looking to take control of your sale, we've got tools built specifically for you to make it easy. So let's take a look at some of the tools we've developed to bring the future of real estate to your fingertips. Before we can list your property in the MLS and find you a buyer, we need some information about your property, and that starts with our listing application. So if you see any button that says list a property, go ahead and give that a click. That will take you directly into the listing application, where you'll first provide us with an address, select the plan that you want, and add on any on-demand services like professional photography, targeted advertising, or a professional pricing opinion. Then you'll enter your credit card information and confirm the payment. After you've made your payment, we're going to need to gather that property information from you. It should take you directly into the first step of the listing flow, but should you ever need to get back in there, you just sign into your account, go to your dashboard, and you'll see something that looks a little bit like this. If you click continue, you'll see the remaining steps necessary, like signing the required listing documents, entering your property information, and uploading any photos that you may have. Once a listing is created, you'll be able to have some quick links to important things like your leads, offers, the listing webpage, or the ability to make any changes to your listing. Let's take a look at the listing webpage. This will be your listing webpage. Once your listing is completed, you'll be able to have photos that you can always edit. You can move them around. You can delete photos, and you just click upload to save. When you go back in, you'll see that those photos have been changed. We also allow you to share this with any buyers, where they can see photos, property description, a map, information about the property itself, and we've even included a payment calculator, as most buyers typically want to know this. Now let's look at some of the more important tools that we have built for you. If you come over here to the My Stuff, you'll see that we keep a log of every lead on your property. This includes both buyers and their agents. When you click into any lead, you'll be able to see the name, phone number, email, date that it was added, and some notes that we took on our communications with that lead. Now let's take a look at the offers. When you receive an offer, we will set it up for you as an offer summary page. In the offer summary, you'll be able to get an idea of the key terms of the offer, view the actual attached offer document, and either accept, decline, or counter the offer directly from the platform. Each of these options takes you through a small flow where you can sign, provide reasons for declination, or change the terms of the offer to counter. Once completed, it will automatically be sent back to the buyer side, so you don't have to worry about a thing. Once you're under contract, we will keep the details of the agreement here for you to review. When you open up any agreement, you'll be able to see the sales price, closing cost support agreed to, and things like contract date, inspection end date, and projected closing date, along with whatever commission you negotiated with the buyer side. We'll also keep contact information here so you can call or email the other parties as necessary. And speaking of contacts, we do keep a list of every contact associated with each deal, such as the lender, the title company, the inspector, the appraiser, or any other contact associated with each individual deal. If you ever don't know what you should be doing, this is where you check, in the tasks. At each step in the process, we have preset tasks that are populated and are the same for all listings, and we'll be adding custom tasks should they come up. All you have to do is check off the tasks and move on to the next step. I hope you've enjoyed this short demo of Falaya's powerful listing platform, designed to streamline the home selling process, making it easier than ever to sell your house yourself. Whether you need to create a listing, follow up with leads, respond to offers, check in on your agreement, communicate with contacts, or check off tasks throughout the process, we've made it easier than ever to complete everything that you need, from listed all the way to sold. So if you have any questions about the platform or anything you've seen today, or you just want to talk about the different packages we have, or anything else, do not hesitate to reach out to our team. We're always happy to provide you more information and talk out some of the questions that you may have. We'll look forward to earning your listing and see you soon.